Hi, I'm Vilco, a member of MMM Philippines. I'm from Butuan City, particularly in Mindanao, Agusan del Norte. Last August 16, I provide help. The amount that I help is 5,000 pesos. Today, I received the amount of 5,000 pesos plus 10%. The total cash that I received is 5,500. I would like to thanks to Ricardo Puli and also to Pinax for your assistance, guys. Thank you so much. And also to Sergio Mabrudi for this MMM worldwide. Thank you so much, and more power to MMM for MMM. Hoping and praying that many people will receive these blessings also, just like what I received this day. Thank you so much, and mabuhay MMM.